Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz is potentially facing new legal challenges this morning. That is because Joel Greenberg, a former Florida tax collector and close associate of Gaetz, is set to plead guilty to 6 federal crimes, including stalking, conspiracy to bribe a public official, and sex trafficking of a minor. In new court filings, Greenberg admitted to paying a 17-year-old girl for sex and introduced her to other adult men who engaged in commercial sex acts. As part of his deal, Greenberg must fully cooperate with federal investigators. We also must point out that Gaetz is not specifically named in the latest court filings, and he has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing. But the Justice Department is investigating Gaetz over possible sex trafficking.